What is up, my beautiful people? Today is November 9th, Friday, November 9th. I'm actually on time, wow. But as I said last week, we are going to continue the series of The Weekenders. I love that show so much. And today we are going to draw Tish, how do you say it? Katsufrakis? They say it in the show like 15 times. Katsufrakis. Tish Katsufrakis. Tish Katsufrakis. The more I say it, the weirder it sounds, so I'm just gonna stop saying it. Anyways, let's get started. You know the drill. 1 minute on the clock, sketch out as much as we can, and then after that, we're going to go ahead and draw it out completely. I promise you, I've been practicing my inking, so it should not be as bad as Tino was. I almost said Tito. Almost said Tito. It's not gonna be as bad as Tino was, I promise you. Alright, well, let's get started. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Alrighty, so in a minute we got this beautiful thing right here, and in according to my clock, in 12 minutes 8 seconds and like 47 milliseconds or something like that. There we go. We got, there we go, this right here. Beautiful thing for watching. Peace, love, and hot sauce. I really need to get a hot sauce bottle. Until next time, thanks for watching.